Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I'm here filming my October setup. So I'm really excited about this one because I've been waiting for this for kind of a long time, to be honest. I love my black cat and my tuxedo cat. So I have washi tape that I'm gonna bring in that is black cat related. I felt like it was a really good month. It would be pretty appropriate with the holidays. I have these little sticky notes that I will bring in some of the spreads, probably like in my weeklies or something like that, to jot notes down on. But for now, I'm gonna stick to black pen, and I think I'm gonna bring in just a touch of lavender in the 623. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, and I hope you all love what I come up with. So I decided, I actually filmed most of this yesterday, and then I came back in today to fix up some stuff because I wasn't terribly happy with how it turned out. I really wanted just to add some more pops of color because all of this looked very blank. And then I thought, okay, well maybe I'll go in and do my one line a day through here. And then I was like, oh, well maybe I'll just do the stripes in my accent color, and that'll help bring and tie everything in together. I found some images on Pinterest and Google image search for cats and their silhouettes. So I added this adorable black cat silhouette. So this circle is kind of an ode to full moon type effect. I didn't really want to do watercolors or full moons this month. It felt too on the nose for Halloween. So I decided to stick with my black cat and then just do kind of a nod to Halloween in this like full moon kind of look. And then I added in some more trackers here at the bottom. These are my monthly trackers. I've been doing pretty good with my trackers this past month, so I decided to keep it going and add in a couple more. I really want to do more yoga, and I thought that this silhouette was pretty fitting for yoga because you know, downward dog and all that kind of stuff. So I really want to get into that again because my back and my neck have been bothering me so much lately. And I use this Uniball Signo white to do white in the black spaces to kind of just give it another look. So that's what I did there. So I decided to do my order tracker. It's the exact same. I have the order number, I have the date, the cost, the description. If it is digital, that I mark it with a D. If it is not digital, this is MPS, which stands for make, pack, ship, and then the shipping date. And then I started adding in my Redbubble orders on here as well. Like I said, again, these are images that I took from online and just kind of did my own thing with it. This one is kind of like my my cute little tuxedo, so I decided to go pretty sketchy with this looking one because all the other ones were very silhouette-like, so I kind of just wanted one that screamed cat but in sketch. And then I added in a new cleaning tracker. So these are new to my shop. I added this Clean You Savage because right now I feel like I'm living kind of like a crazy person where my stuff is just everywhere. So I added in 2 bi-weekly ones instead of the normal 1 bi-weekly, and then an empty space. So if you want, these are listed in my shop now. And then I brought in a little bit of washi here. And then this mood tracker, I'm going to do the exact same mood tracker that I've been doing with this hand lettering style mood tracker. It helps me, 1, do my lettering, just to practice my lettering, and 2, it gives me a lot of creative space to think of new things, and then 3, a lot of these things I would feel like I'm pigeonholed into choosing an actual a list of 6 or something like that, or ranking it 1 to 10. So this gives me a lot of creative space, and it doesn't pigeonhole me into certain feelings. And then I thought that this was a cute design to do because I hold my cat like this all the time, and depending on his mood, he'll either just let me do it or he'll fight back or whatever. And I thought that this washi tape was good because it has like the different moods of a cat. So I thought that that would be a lot of fun for my mood tracker. And then my weekly will start right here. So again, I hope you guys like this video. This is really easy to recreate. So if you do recreate these spreads, please tag me in the photo on Instagram at erinflotodesigns, and I'll be sure to showcase you in any of those spreads that you tag me in. that are recreations of like a particular type of spread or this theme or something like that. So thank you guys for tagging me. I am going to be very regular with this, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram at AirinFloaterDesigns. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, notification bell, all that type of jazz, and I will see you on Monday. Bye everyone.